Do I have something on my head?
No.
Okay. Are you starting already?
No, I'm starting in 10 seconds.
That's fine. You can start any time anyways.
No, actually not in 10 seconds.
Okay, let's do like this. Okay. We are going to mix the sugar, vanilla, eggs, and butter. Just a cup of sugar.
What's that smell?
That's right.
Should I add the blueberries in?
We can put it after. I find it like easier to let the kids do it on their own when you actually prepared everything done already for them, and then they just have to mix and put the stuff in. Someone love the butter. All right. Okay, can hold it and let it stand.
So am I gonna take these off?
Mm-hmm. You wanna fold it in?
Mm-hmm.
What are you eating already? Okay, love, come on. Let's fold it in. And then you just have to slowly fold it, so then all the blueberries gonna be mixed in. See that cool color? Look, what color is that?
Yes, it's turning pink, kinda.
All right, so
This is the first time I've seen this. I haven't eaten blueberry muffins in a long time.
yeah, we had a strawberry muffin though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of brown sugar on top. Sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar to make it crunchy. You get it? All right. I think it's cooked.